Hi, I am Homeopathic Doctor of Ranja. My today's topic is humiliation. If you are experiencing humiliation, this 1 minute video is for you. Humiliation is a painful and unpleasant emotions caused by various reasons and factors. We must understand that a majority in any community of the world is always cruel. Some office bosses have inhuman behavior. Sometimes personal mistakes and unpleasant situations also cause embarrassment and humiliation. However, you should not keep yourself on the mercy of circumstances. Counseling doesn't work always. Long-term humiliation can instigate the patient to develop stealing habit. The patient can also develop a tendency to be involved in sodomy. Sometimes the patient falls into depression and loses the meaning of life. There is treatment in homeopathy, and the first medicine is Staphylococcus aureus. Humiliation is more a medical condition than psychological problem.